Clear.
Clear?
Clear. Whole building's clear.
Apparently not.
There's 4 of them left. Are they not up first?
Yeah, clear. The very first clear.
Yeah, all the rooms are cleared.
Alright, so we clear it.
Yeah, let's go re-clear all the buildings.
Someone is supposed to do this?
Alright, we gotta run back to the building. Are we sure this entire building is secure?
Yep.
Do we go in this room? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Alright, Sam, go in the next building. Let's run back to the room. That door's sealed, sir. No, sir. It's sealed. Back into the... Can you guys get through that door right there? It's sealed. That one? Yeah. Roger that. Copy. Friendly's coming in.
Hey, look, listen. I'll tell you where we are. Heads up. Follow me. Stacked up right here.
No, I think one. 50 guy right here.
We got a grenade
right here, and the first door on the left. First door on the left. Yeah, you all ready?
Ready.
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 One.
Flashlights on if you got them.
Woo! Go ahead.
I'm gonna have to make some.
Nate, we're coming in, Nate.
Dave,
you got a grenade?
moving? Or
Yeah, let's do it.
Waiting for your fan,
One,
sir.
2, 3. Go.
hands up.
Right, one.
I'm out.
Yeah, on the far side. You can't kill us all, so.
Ready?
Ready.
Two.
Alright, I'll take it.
Oh, crap.
Go.
Keep going. I'm just shooting, go.
What's that? He's right there to your left. Whoa, my bad. Switch over.
Oh, we got somebody to the right.
No, that's friendly. That's friendly on the right.
So it's basically a safety kill if you want it right now. It's pretty. There's like 8 guns. I don't know if you want to take it or not.
What now?
There's 8 of
Do
us.
you want a safety kill or do you just want to keep going?
If you're
Okay.
within 15 feet,
Hey, come on, man.
Hit.
If I hit you first, you gotta call it. I'm here.
got him, Johnny.
I mean, I know I wasn't gonna survive, but y'all gotta call it. I'm not mad at it. Sorry.
It's okay, baby.
Friendly.
Here's the last one.
You clear?
Yeah, we got the guy on this side.
person holds off like 20.
Hey, what one?
I mean,
What's that room back there? To the
I
right
was
side.
trying.
Yeah, good job.
Clear.
Good.
Clear.
Clear.